hit it
no,
before
I thought I was being all like smooth, you know. Welcome back to Crockers Lockers. I thought I was being all producer smooth, and it just didn't happen.
So you're already running?
Yeah, we're going.
Do that.
Because that's how you catch the bloopers.
No, we never have bloopers.
We do. If you wait till the end of our episodes, there's usually a blooper or two there at the back end of
Cut.
it.
Ready? Cut.
Well, push the button.
I thought you didn't want me to push buttons.
It takes a red-headed woman. It takes a red-headed woman to get a dirty job done.
Okay, zero it out.
Where are we at, grams?
We have it on grams. Okay, want to do the big boy first?
Just tease me, baby. Tease me.
I'll do the heavy one.
Oh, come on, AR-15. Gold is at $29.46 a gram.
Hey, it's Crockers Lockers time.
What's up? We're back.
We're back. Day 2.
Day 2 here at a life storage in Mesquite.
And we're trying something different today, so you gotta let me know how it works.
You gotta listen and let us know how it works out. So, you know.
He got me a mic. Listen to some of you guys that thought I could maybe use one. Right now, it's just right there.
I'll give y'all a hint. When we used to talk on the phone all night long, like giddy teenagers, I had to have earbuds to be able to hear her.
No, it's because I was being quiet and sometimes like under the covers talking.
Quiet as a church mouse.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyways, we're gonna go back in here and see what we got. We found a lot of good stuff yesterday, which y'all saw in the last video, and
some stuff we haven't shown you yet that we're waiting.
Some stuff we haven't shown you
check
yet.
out ourselves.
And we'll get that checked out. So and we're gonna film that after we film this, so we don't know when we're gonna put that on which video, but you will see it.
Yeah, you check out the hidden treasure.
If you haven't seen it, wait for it. If you have seen it, how about that? It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Well, but no matter what you're doing, have you subscribed yet?
Hit the like button.
And if you've subscribed, which hopefully you all have, the bell.
Yeah,
the bell.
It's right here under her. Well, yeah, I'm putting it right. It's right there.
So the bell and the like, and we appreciate it big time.
Oh yeah, thank y'all for hanging out with us. Now we're gonna get dirty.
All right, see you in a bit.
Peace.
All right, let's see what we got left today.
These are usually where the best bloopers occur.
Oh, it's my. It's feel weird. Look, can you tell? It's like I don't know if I'm too loud or.
You're good.
Okay, well I'm like hooked up to a mic. I am talking and lifting.
For those of you watching on headphones, sorry about that right there.
Oh. What was that? That was weird.
DVDs.
And it's Daddy Daycare? Falling from the sky?
We need to have like a DVD throwing contest, see who can throw a DVD.
Hey, we can use the basketball net too. I know you'd rather do the heads in there, but we can try these.
We gotta do the heads too.
Let's see what we got. What we got left, though.
What do we got left, folks?
We thought we took about half of it out of here.
Oh God, we don't have.
I told you they like grow. It seems like.
Yeah.
The stuff grows.
Well, let's grab a tote and just start getting at it.
Okay. All right. Tote numero uno for now. So far looks super boring. Clothes. Hakuna Matata.
Well, it looks like he could have kuna his last Matata.
You get a gold star for today. Here you go,
see
babe.
what you did there. Delusional sports fan hat.
And I bet a single shoe. Anything at the bottom?
Starch pants.
No, are they Levi's at least? No, they're Lee.
One pair. No, it's not.
It's Lee. L-E-E. Okay. Sorry. Boring. It's probably gonna be another boring one. But maybe there's a better tote in there. Comforter. Clothes. A funnel in your laundry basket.
I don't even want to know.
Yeah, this is definitely one of our random. Well, they're all random, to be honest.
Dude, what is that snake skin?
this? We found one of those. It's like a, yeah, I don't know if there's a placemat or...
It's placemat or a table runner or something. That's a pretty cool pattern.
It is. There was one of those yesterday, I think. Okay, let's get a different tote. Let's see. Okay, kind of got a laundry bag.
Oh, let's see his lawn.
Oh, there's a re.
There's a re. Okay, there's the re.
It's kind of a cool bag, actually. But what's going to be in it? Okay.
Thought about
And another puzzle box. That's right.
Jenga and the other puzzle box.
There's some Levi's.
Okay.
Levi. Oh, is it a skirt? Huh, it's a skirt.
Something.
Pretty. Hey, DeWalt.
That's a good sign. Hey,
Hey, that's a.
sellable.
Is that a holster for your dustbuster that you should wear?
Yeah, it's a holster.
Falcons.
Well, it's better than the Texans.
Yep, let's see here. Letter books. Time to read. Oh, those are good learning tools.
Says the teacher.
Well, you know. Oh, and this goes over here.
Oh, I
Says
can't
the
serenade
teacher.
you like I did the other night.
Maybe later.
Oh,
A celebratory.
she likes it.
Hey, wait. It's bent. Doctor.
Here's a who.
Yeah. Boo-hoo.
Heard of
There's no
something?
who. There's no who.
Family from House of a Thousand Corpses. I can't remember the other movie, but they were awesome.
Don't know what that's
But
to.
I love being a member of my family.
And we love that you're a member.
Okay.
Okay, come on
Let's have
now.
Hot Wheels crack pieces in here.
What is that? Oh, a clamp?
Hey, a pipe cutter. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Sweet, rigid pipe cutter.
If you can
There's this pipe.
pull pieces. Okay,
Shape
well,
up.
there we go.
Hyper tough something. Walmart tools, but it's still good tools. Torx bits. I can use those.
There's a little speaker, maybe. You need to come down to see in the bottom here if there's anything good. Was that a speaker? Was it a speaker?
Yeah.
Okay. No,
Let's just burn it.
won't get political
This
there.
is the dumbest thing to happen to
Wow.
education. And I
Okay,
deal with
wait.
engineers, and we're seeing this garbage in engineering now, and it's the
More.
dumbest.
Random parts. Let's see. There you go. History of travel.
Well, people have generally been from one place to another, so you know.
Hey, we found money.
Hey, we're rich. We're rich.
Money.
Come on, Hot Wheels.
Oh no, I'm trying. More
All those silly books.
Common Core.
Toys.
Nightlight.
Hey, there's my name.
Right. And another little
Gospel of Me.
New Testament.
Those of you that know me, it's scary. See what that says, baby?
I sure do.
The Gospel of Me.
Here you go.
Multi-shaker pack.
Multi. Well,
And that's quick, really?
yeah.
Oh, that's one of those fancy commercial things you hang with your
I've
hands
seen
on.
on TV.
Yeah, it goes like this. I think you press that button or something.
Okay, well,
Yeah, it goes like that.
Here's $130. Time to do something else.
Oh, haha! You couldn't keep it from me.
He found the recorder. Okay. And last hope, right here.
The final
Please,
hope.
please.
This is episode 4. Wait, that was a new hope. This is the final hope. We're kind of screwed.
That is big. Blankies.
If y'all know what I'm talking about, let us know in the comments on that.
Crinkly, come on.
Come on, please, 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 please. Dude!
What?
No,
Oh,
you gotta watch our
fish
videos.
tail, mermaid
watch our
tail.
back catalog.
What we got in trouble for? There's something.
Dress up like a minion?
Maybe. Maybe. Hey. Black hat, black hat.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Not even probably.
Big money, big money, big money.
Well, oops.
Man.
I'm stuck in the clothes. Love letter? No. Oh, statement of inability to afford payment of court costs and appeal bond.
Well,
Okay, well.
much kids color on it, of course.
Yeah, I know. That's why I thought maybe it was something fun. What is that?
Is it the other shoe?
Yes.
Holy. We found the
Two
match for this
shoes.
yesterday, y'all.
Should be
It is
around here
right here.
somewhere. Okay. Well, that's a positive.
Bam! That's a rarity. We
Two
have
shoes.
actually found 3 pairs of matching shoes.
Yeah, I think we're. Well, I think
that
that,
it?
yeah. I mean, that's it. We have the couple things at the house to go through. The bag that had keys and jewelry and broken chain.
Yeah, that's right. We got the
Chain. What are those things called? Chain.
jewelry
Oops.
bag to go through.
Well, say jewelry bag. There's some at the bottom. Had chain link that had been cut. ID and a couple other things.
Yeah, it's all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. You had
So we
more
got-
hooks and hinges too, which is kind of weird.
Yeah,
So
we got
we'll
that
go
to check
through
out,
that
but
here
we got to
when
get
we
this
back to the hut.
in the car, go to do some donations and get back and look at the couple things we have. Otherwise, we got to get out. Got the bag. We got the goods. Now we're going to find out if it's really good in our goods.
Ooh, it could be.
This was deep in the bathroom bag, like under some sketchy stuff.
Yeah,
Let's
bathroom
see.
bags. You
Or
never go wrong with the bathroom bags.
Or junk drawer bags.
Junk drawer, nightstand,
drawers.
or bathrooms.
All right, let's dump the bag out. Let's find some treasure. What's in the bag? Battery.
Battery.
Battery. Okay. Rope chain.
Scully could be going to MTV.
It's got the right coloring to it. I'm gonna let you look for. I don't see a stamp.
Let's see what we got here.
I don't see a stamp on it.
Y'all tell me in the comments if you see it and I miss it.
It's the right color though.
Yeah, it's silver.
It's the right shade.
Right shade of silver?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Nope, I don't see anything written on this, baby doll.
Well, we can test it.
Yeah, for
We
sure.
can test it. And we got watch. Looks broken to me. I can't read the
Yeah, let me see.
label. Can you?
Alcaletta, I don't know.
It's broken. The face is broken.
And the back is. Stand go ahead.
It's cheapy. Cheap.
Let's see, Russ. Yeah. The birds ain't out here going cheep, cheep, cheep,
Cheap,
cheep.
cheap, cheap. We're the birds when we need them. Ooh, it's got a shiny leaf.
Ooh.
There's a stone in there, but
Never fails.
I'm sure it's not anything. No marking.
Yeah, I think this is stainless.
Oops. Couple names. Ooh, shiny.
Ooh.
Shiny.
Even more MTV.
Shiny, sparkly. The big D.
Hey. Big D from Dallas.
Or ding dong.
Nice, yeah. Very true. I am a ding dong.
I'm a ding dong too. You ding.
Ding dong daddy from
I don't
Dumas.
see,
Isn't that the old Bob Wills song?
See a marking on that.
Let's
I
look.
don't
Y'all look
know.
with me here.
That's got the same type of clasp as the silver one, which that usually indicates cheap unless it's miraculously stamped. Although it's got good color too, so I don't.
Well, it's not
We'll still
focusing.
test it,
Yeah,
but-
there we go.
I'll still test it.
I don't see nothing.
Come on, treasure, and kind of cool.
Well, question. If Jesus walked the earth today, would he wear a Rolex on his TV show?
And
On Sunday
this
mornings.
goes with. Here you go. Sorry, it was in there. Can't help it. You've been talking about dirty ones, and okay,
Oh, we
that's
found
a
a lot.
good.
That's an extension. I'll put that in my toolbox.
Just for you.
Yoink.
And I can tell brass color, but let's
Oh,
see.
let me look at it back here behind the camera.
With your eyes.
Yeah. You're
no
kidding
glass.
me, right?
What, with your eyes? Is it stamped? That's brass. Does it have a stamp on it?
Yeah.
No
14K.
There's no way.
Y'all tell me if I'm wrong in the comments.
I mean, even rose gold is
Yeah,
not
14K.
that color. What?
14K.
What?
Hey. 14K.
Hey, 14K.
Hey.
There's a
Could be
Figaro.
14 coats of Krylon.
Figaro chain.
Ooh, locker nuts.
Oh, wait. That's got a stamp on it. See if you use your eyes again.
Dude, really?
Yeah, it actually. Look at the color
Really?
of it.
I don't see no stampy on this sign.
I thought I saw one.
Ooh, Italy. Fragile. Must be expensive.
Does it say Italy too?
Yep, it sure does.
Wow.
Dude, you're kidding me, right?
That could be white gold. We'll test it, of course.
Oh, we
but
will test it for sure.
we're gonna test
Isn't
it
there
over
like a
and over.
couple of things?
over.
Oh, man.
Hey, now here we go. This is some heavy Figaro.
That's dude, that's pimp. I'm going to be a pimp.
Well, let's see how styling.
I'm going to get me a hat with a feather and wear that chain.
There's hey, look.
Really?
You see? You see? That's awesome. I don't know if I believe it.
14K, really? Yeah, you got to watch that here in Texas,
Yeah.
New Mexico,
Mexico.
Arizona, California.
But Mexico especially, there's a lot of stamped jewelry that turns out to be not what it's stamped. No.
No way. No way. It matches that, doesn't it?
Similar. It's not the same. Well,
Same
no,
pattern.
It is. Once we
Huh.
go, look at you. It's like if that's 14K.
Dude,
did
that's
you
a
feel
guitar.
it? Yeah.
That's a
Heavy.
guitar.
We actually have a scale.
That is a guitar.
We got a
You
bracelet.
got to be kidding me.
Hold on. Let me see. I can't. See. You go.
Dude, did we just score?
No, there's some. We might have.
Have we scored finally?
Oh, we so need a good score. Would that be?
It's
that would
been a
be-
minute. Yeah, 14K Italy.
Wow.
Dude.
I feel that too. Nice.
Dude,
We gotta test this like.
yeah, we got to test
Now.
it. And I want to weigh it. I'm going to
Yeah.
get my hopes up way high,
Well.
and then we can go crashing down the ground like reality.
Oh, that would be awesome. Okay, those are just costume.
Yeah, that's just costume.
But hoops. Everybody likes hoops.
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 Those are,
hoops.
you know,
Oh,
moderate hoops.
Hey, this goes with that little set we found.
Yeah, it sure does.
You're getting some tools. Well, tools sell really well too.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. What's on top of the Metro PCS card? What? Don't.
What? No.
Let's use some of
It's
this
just
fine.
a little. Our gold.
Let's
our
use
gold
some of
toothpick.
our gold to touch whatever.
It's just it's a vial, right? But
It's a vial.
is it a vial?
What in the world?
It's clear.
It's clear liquid, y'all, in a vial.
Wonder if it's. Should we smell it?
That'd be pretty messed up, I think.
To smell it.
Yeah. I like you having teeth in your mouth, baby. That needs to go. I don't care what it is. That needs to go bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Oh, that's
little
sketchy.
Bit. A little bit.
It's a little bit.
It's a little bit. Literally, a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Gumball ring. And my burn. Excuse my burn there.
Oh, yeah. Because you're so hot.
Oh, yeah. Psst.
Yeah, you spontaneously combust.
Right. Okay, well, we got a something.
Choker?
Battery.
Yeah, A battery's better than a C battery.
And... Oh, no scent?
Hey, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, but is it the right year? Of course not.
No.
No, it's 2000.
It's a scent though. It goes into our pile.
That's right. We're gonna have a big enough pile one of these days to go to Coinstar.
Yeah, we do a Coinstar video. So.
Oh, we gotta
Alright.
test this. I'm like way excited.
Yeah.
I mean-
That's a really good amplifier. Or a new AR-15 and some
Or-
diamonds.
I was gonna say, you gotta throw a diamond or two in there.
Oh yeah,
babe.
we can get us the AR-15 and some diamonds. There we go.
All right, let's test it.
Let's weigh it. Let's
Test
get
it.
our. Okay, hold on.
We'll be right back. Okay, zero it out.
Where are we at? Grams?
We have it on grams. Okay, want to do the
Alright.
big boy first?
Just
One piece at a
tease
time?
me, baby. Tease me.
I'll do the heavy one.
Oh, come on, AR-15.
Just so you know that how heavy this thing feels. Whoops.
Come on, AR-15. What does it say?
That's
52.8?
52.8 all by itself. We'll put it all together.
There's like a glare over here.
See it? Trying to get it all on there.
74.8.
8. If that's okay. Last one. These were all stamped 14K.
Yep, 14K.
90
even. Well,
this
let me-
one was stamped 2.
As I'm dropping things.
This one was stamped 2. Might as well get them all.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that people can see the
Is it all on there?
96.5 grams.
Okay, it was a little bit off, but let's just. Oh, and now it's saying 96, but we pulled
Well, that
up
little
the.
piece fell off.
It's okay. We pulled up the conversion.
Yeah, I pulled up a conversion here.
chart. What's 14K at today?
14 karat gold is at $29.46 a gram.
Okay, so let's get that calculator. 96.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, big money. Okay, what many grams we got? 96.7.
96.7.
Let me zoom out a little bit here. There we go. Times, what was it? 29.
41, I think.
29.46.
Okay.
29.46. You gotta be kidding me.
If it tests 14K, look at that.
Dude, you gotta be kidding me.
That would be awesome. Oh my gosh, that'd be better than
Dude,
awesome.
that's diamonds and guns.
Okay, we're gonna be testing this.
Yeah, for sure.
Saw that $2,500.
Come on home to the Crockers.